You reckon you can achieve greatness on your own, eh? Doubt it. Let me remind you of a whakatauki that shows us where true strength comes from. Ehara taku toa I te toa takitahi, engari he toa takitini. My strength is not as an individual, but as a collective. This is a powerful reminder that success is not achieved alone. True strength comes from the support and the collaboration of a community or a team. This whakatauki is perfect when you want to show humility and acknowledge the people around you, like your community, your team, or your whānau who have supported you along your journey. It speaks to the importance of working together to achieve big goals. For example, maybe you've just completed a massive project. You might say, Ehara taku toa I te toa takitahi, engari he toa takitini. To acknowledge the support and the mahi that all of those people around you have done to create this successful moment. Next time you celebrate a win or tackle a big challenge, just remember this whakatauki. Because greatness is never a solo journey. It's about the power of the collective. Ehara taku toa I te toa takitahi, engari he toa takitini.